is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love, why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times, it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding.
Nainggit nga po ako sa mga ibang bata eh. Mga kasama po silang nanay tatay. Ako nga po wala eh.
Namimiss mo ba yung mama mo na magkakasama kayo noon?
Sobra po.
Out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. My Lord, you never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold, and yet you leave me there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel this way. I've never known a man who'd give his life for sinners like me, and yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity, and we can have this promise.